If you look at yourself with a clear mind, your troubles will naturally decrease, and peace will follow. When the storms of life push you to uneasy, please remember that every breath is an opportunity to return to yourself. Close your eyes, let your heart stand still, and return to calm like the sea. Your heart is stronger than you think. It can carry everything and give you new hope and strength. Learn to observe your inner thoughts when you stop and find your true self. Learn to observe yourself, and your inner strength will help you solve all difficulties. Darkness and low tide are the inevitable processes of life, just like the rotation of the 4 seasons. When facing pain, you should look at its essence with awareness, not resistance. When you learn to stop and look at your heart, you will find that those seemingly insurmountable difficulties are actually opportunities for growth. Everything is like a dream bubble. Pain is not eternal. As long as you let go of your obsession with pain, it will no longer have the power to bind. Look at your situation from a new perspective, from a deep understanding, and find the wisdom to solve problems. Compassion is the core of healing, especially when facing yourself. When you stop criticizing yourself and accept your imperfections with compassion, you can feel true relief and freedom. If the heart is born, all kinds of methods will be born, and if the heart is destroyed, all kinds of methods will be destroyed. The state of the heart determines how to view the world. Through compassion and love, recreate the inner harmony and free yourself from the shackles of pain. In the journey of healing, we must learn to face and embrace our own pain. Accept the facts with a calm mind and find strength in acceptance. Focusing on our own breathing can help us return to the present, thus reducing regret for the past and anxiety about the future. The root of pain lies in ignorance. Through the cultivation of awareness, you can gradually see the truth of things and no longer be influenced by negative emotions. It is not only the healing of the soul, but also a deep understanding of the essence of life. In the trough, they often question their own value. However, just as the lotus flower comes out of the mud without staining, we can also find our own light from adversity. Every challenge tests our resilience and faith. We face difficulties with a fearless mentality and finally see the dawn with hope. You can eventually turn into a cocoon, into a butterfly, and become a stronger self. Give yourself a period of time every day. Calm down to observe the fluctuations in your heart, and find a way to reconnect your heart. When you learn to accept the present, life is no longer a pile of suffering, but a journey full of possibilities. Forgiveness is not for others, but for releasing oneself. Only by letting go of the past can we take it easy on the road and embrace the future. Through introspection and practice, you can find the long-lost peace and joy in your heart.